Okay, Darcy, hopefully this video won't be as mumbled and incoherent as before. Okay, a circle with center C and radius R. That means the center is a specific point and it has a radius of a certain distance from that point. Some of your notes were off. This was right, but R squared is the same thing as above but with the square root removed because you've squared both sides. The other thing that was wrong, and I will explain why, is this R that you had as a C in your notes. It should be an R because it's a radius. Because if the radius is greater than 0, it's a distance, and that shows you how the distance from the center to the edge of the circle. If R is equal to 0, it's just a point because there is no distance from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle. There is no area of an actual circle. It's just a dot on a graph. R is less than 0, there is no answer because you cannot have a negative distance. So you can't have a negative radius, and that gives you no answer if R was negative. So we're going to start with a problem where R is equal to 6 and C, which is the center point, is equal to 3, 5. Now you replace A with 3 and B with 5. Just as here, you see C is equal to A, B. Well, in this case, it's C is equal to 3, 5. So A becomes 3, B becomes 5. So you have radius, which is 6, is equal to the square root of x minus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared. You then square both sides. This gets rid of the square root, and this gives you 36 is equal to x minus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared. Now to find x and y, you have to substitute, make one equal to 0. So, otherwise known as the xy intercept. So, next substitute y with 0 to find x, and x with 0 to find y. So first we're going to do y is equal to 0. So here we have 36 is equal to x minus 3 squared plus 0 minus 5 squared. Negative 5 squared is 25. You then subtract 25 from both sides. So now you have 11 is equal to x minus 3 squared. You take the square root to get rid of that squared, and so you get square root of 11 is equal to x minus 3. You add 3 to both sides, and now you know what x is equal. X is equal to square root of 11 plus 3. Finally, we will substitute x is equal to 0 in to get y. 36 is equal to 0 minus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared. 36 is equal to 9 because negative 3 squared is 9. You subtract 9 from both sides, and then you get 30, and then you get this 27 is equal to y minus 5 squared. You take the square root of that to get y minus 5. So now you know, and then you add 5 over, and so you get y is equal to the square root of 27 plus 5, just like we did up here with x. Earlier I said 36 is equal to 9. I meant 36 is equal to 9 plus y minus 5 squared. I'm sure you got that, but just in case, I want to avoid all confusion. Okay, hopefully that helped, Darcy. Call me if it didn't. Good luck on your test on Monday.